Time to check on the day's business stories. We're joined by Kate Moody. Who better for that? Good evening, Kate. The United States has reported more signs of a strong economic recovery. Tell us more.
Well, the number of Americans filing initial claims for jobless benefits dropped last week to its lowest level since the pandemic began, 576,000. That's down nearly 200,000 from the previous week. The overall number of people claiming benefits dropped from 18.2 to just under 17 million, another sign that hiring is picking up. There are, however, still 8 million fewer jobs than there were before the pandemic. American consumers are also spending more. Retail sales jumped 9.8% in March as people received their latest round of stimulus checks. The restaurant and bar industry saw a 13% rise in spending as more people were vaccinated and restrictions were eased. Industrial production also picked up in March. Consumer confidence in the U.S. at its highest level since before the pandemic. All that new data painting a picture of an economy that is undoubtedly surging back.
And Kate, what impact has this had on the markets?
Well, those upbeat reports saw Wall Street going to new highs. The Dow Jones closing about 300 points higher, topping 34,000 for the first time ever. The S&P 500 was up over 1% at a new record as well. Shares of Delta Airlines bucked that trend. They dropped around 3%. Reporting new quarterly losses. The airline does expect, though, to break even from June as demand for domestic travel begins to recover. We saw a strong close for the major European indices as well. The FTSE 100 was up about 2/3% in London. The pan-European Stoxx 600 hit its own new high. Shares of Deliveroo, meanwhile, continued to slump. They were down 4% after the food delivery service said it didn't expect its strong pace of growth to continue after the pandemic ends.
Kate Moody, thank you very much indeed. Kate Moody there with all the business. The news, of course, continues, and we'll keep you across all developments. You're watching France 24. Stay with us.